My name is Brian Sullivan, and I'm an attorney with the Searcy Denny Law Firm. Did you know that over 35% of Florida drivers have no automobile liability insurance whatsoever? Incredibly, here in Florida, all that is required by this state for a person to put a car on our roadways is what is referred to as PIP and property damage insurance coverage. PIP coverage, or personal injury protection, protects a motor vehicle driver for his own medical injuries, irrespective of fault when involved in an accident. Property damage provides coverage not for injuries to people, but for injuries to property. In other words, telephone poles and guardrails are more important than people in Florida. This is the so-called full coverage myth enacted by our legislature. As an attorney representing individuals involved in motor vehicle collisions, one of the first things we must determine is whether the injured party is at fault. If you cause an accident, under most circumstances, you are unable to recover anything. All you may have is your PIP protection, which is protection for your medical injuries. PIP provides medical injury protection regardless of fault. To recover against the at-fault driver, that driver must have BI, bodily injury coverage, which provides liability protection for the at-fault driver and the necessary coverage for the injured party to recover for his injuries. Unfortunately, once again, the state of Florida does not require that any motor vehicle operator have bodily injury coverage, and therefore the innocent injured driver has no recourse against that negligent driver. There is important additional coverage that may, and in my opinion, must and should be purchased by every motor vehicle operator in Florida, and that coverage is UM. UM is uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. UM provides protection against a negligent motor vehicle owner or driver who has failed or neglected to purchase bodily injury coverage. UM coverage is purchased by the individual motor vehicle owner-driver to protect himself from those drivers on our roadways who have no bodily injury insurance coverage. Too many times, severely injured clients have come to this office, victims of a negligent or drunk driver who has failed to have any liability insurance coverage whatsoever. Unfortunately, we are helpless to assist these unfortunate people, as most uninsured or underinsured wrongdoers have little or no assets other than their home, which again is protected by Florida's homestead protections. Every motor vehicle driver operator in the state of Florida should take the time to review their automobile covered selection contract provided by their insurance company to make sure that they have UM coverage to protect them and their families should a tragic accident occur. In real estate, there are three important words: location, location, location. In automobile insurance coverage, the three most important words here in Florida are UM, UM, UM. Please review your policy with your agent to make sure you and your family are protected. Thank you.